Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back with you guys. I want to show you real quick a couple ways, because people are always asking me, and I show this to people when they join, tell them this, but let me share this with you guys out there as well. But before we get started, first thing I want you to do is go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So I'm back today. I want to show you how you use Instant Cash Solution ads and you use Press 1 Cash ads. Okay, and you place these ads, they intertwine together and they complement each other so that you can make sales. Okay, so I'm going to show you, we're going to do Craigslist. I'm going to show you how you can use the Instant Cash Solution image ad in your Craigslist ad, and then I'm going to also show you an ad where you can use the verbiage from the Press 1 Cash back office. Okay, and then I'm also going to show you a page I use to get solo traffic. So you can post ads and you can do traffic. So I'm going to show you that real quick. All right, so let's go over and let me show you the Craigslist way. All right, so let's go over to Craigslist here. All right, let's do this one with the image. So you're over, let's say you're in New York. We're going to post an ad. We go over to the job section. And we're going to go into sales. I just want to do this quickly, and you guys can call me with questions about it, but let's just show you the quick way to do it. All right, so you go here. Let's say we're going to post one in the job section in New York. Okay, so we're going to do, I'm just going to choose Manhattan. Okay. We're going to do Midtown, so location. Okay, what's next? Job. Okay, it's 45 bucks. Let's go down. Let's do sales. Okay, you hit continue. Now, you're going to say, well, what do I put here? So we go over to our ads. Okay, for the sake of the video, I already have this pulled up, but what you would do is go to your back office. Okay. In the Instant Cash Solution, let me show you, hang on. Okay, so you go in your back office, Instant Cash Solutions, you click downloads, okay? And then you're going to see display images. Okay, hang on, let me show you that. Okay, so we click right here, guys. It's one of these. Okay, just click there and you'll get your images, alright? So let's go back over. Let's go back over here. Okay, so for the sake of the video, I went ahead and did that. So I'm going to paste it right in there. That's the image. Okay, we're going to do this rather quickly. And I just put some information in here. All of this stuff is not going to be accurate. I'm not going to place ads. I just want to show you how to do it. So jobs and sales, you get your image right here. You copy it all the way through. Okay, and you say something like this. I got some stuff typed in here. Here's my Press 1 number. Top sales reps needed, right? Full time, I'm going to put commission base, okay? And no replies, right? And then we hit continue. Check this out. Oh, I missed something. Oh, zip code 10000. 1100. Right? All right. You hit that. You hit continue. Right? I don't want any replies. I want them just to follow. Okay, you hit continue. I don't want to do any images because I have my image already in there. Voila, guys, right? This is what they're going to see. See, top sales rep needed, call this number. Okay, and see my image is doing all the selling and telling here, right? Work from home, and it tells them everything. But what I did is put the number here. Top sales reps needed. Boom. So that's how you do it with a image from Instant Cash Solution. Now let me show you how you do it with the verbiage from your back office of Press 1 Cash. So you go in your back office of Press 1 Cash. You click on Resources. Click right here. It says click here for sample ads. Okay. So I did that and I have my ad. Now let's copy it. Okay, so now I'm back in New York job section, in the sales section. And I basically just copied this to save video time. I copied the ad that was back there, guys, in Press 1 Cash. Okay, right here, you click here, sample ads. Okay, so all I did is took that ad and I put it in here. Okay, now the difference is I just added my phone number to it. Okay, they give you this in the copy paste, the Press 1 back office. Okay, so and I just put the phone number right here. All right, and then it's the same concept. You hit continue. Okay, New York. No images. We're using the verbiage. I just want you to see how you can use the ads. It's the same. It's 45 bucks. Now this is what they will see. I'm not going to publish it. I just want you to see ads. That's what we mean. So now you have the ad with the verbiage. Okay. And you use your Press 1 number, or you take an image, okay, you take the image, we'll give you 50, I think it's 52 images back there, lots of images. Take this picture, you put it in there, and then I still put my number right here, okay, and I'm in the sales section, okay, of whatever city you want. As you can see, jobs and sales, because sales people have a different mentality than your business opportunity people. Okay, you'll get more exposure. So that's how you do that. Now let me show you how also you can run traffic to a capture page for Press 1 Cash as well. So this particular scenario, I'm showing you how to use Instant Cash Solution and Press 1 together. Now let me just show you Press 1. Okay, now let me show you this way. This particular way, as you can see, this is a capture page I created in the Conversion Pros. If you join me, you want this, I'll give you my share code. Okay, so you have a page and you can run traffic, paid traffic. Okay, right here. All right, you can pick a package. 50 bucks, I can send 100 people over to my site, or I can spend 100, whatever you want to spend. Okay, the more people you send, the more eyeballs you get on your opportunity. So I spent 50 bucks, okay, to that page. Let me show you this. Hang on. Now in the Conversion Pros, okay, I have my lender page called Press 1 Cash Solo Ad page, right? That's the name. Now, I don't want to display these people's information, but I'm going to show you out of those 100 clicks, I had, I believe it was 40 opt-ins. So let me show you that. That's the name of the page. So, yes, 40 entries, as you can see right here. So out of 100, actually put their name and phone number in that capture page I showed you. Now let me show you some emails, okay, on it. Let me show you. Hang on. Okay, by the way, here's my link. You can join Posting for Profits.ws. But right here, guys, in my email, actually this person, he signed up on the 26th there. Well, as you can see, that's when he opted in. But 4 people, okay, actually have went in there and registered and whatnot. So I need to follow up with those people. So the potential of that is what? $200 commission times 4. That's 800 bucks. And I already made one of those. Okay, that have paid. So I just want you to see that you can use ads to make this work. Okay, so between ads that really work, I just showed you how you can do that. Okay, so you can have ads and then you can have traffic to make this work. Okay, so Instant Cash Solution, Press 1 Cash, solo traffic, and ad copy. You can do this business. Okay, so what I'll do is put the link below for the Conversion Pros, Press 1 Cash, and Instant Cash Solution, so you guys can get started with me today. And I've got a great bonus for you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload, guys. I look forward to working with you guys. Get started, post your ads. Let's go. I'll help you create that if you need help. But it's a great combination. These two are powerful together. Okay, and you make instant commissions if they're 100% commission on both. All right. See you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.